Addition reaction. These are generally occur on ethene or ethine. Ethene like alkene, propene like ethene, propene, butene, pentene, hexene, heptene, octene, nonene, decene, and alkynes like ethyne, propyne, butane, pentine, hexane. Like this compound, there is the addition of reaction means the reacting compound add on the substrate molecule. Here, for example, the ethene. Ethene is a chemical substance that is a flammable obtained from plants either naturally and is a ripening agent for the fruits. It is used for polymerization and on polymerize to give polythene. Polythene is a plastic that is used for packing material and used for halogenation, means halogenations are done on these ethene to produce halogen products like chloroethane, bromoethane, etc. Also, hydrohalogenation means in case of halogenation only halogen are there. In case of hydrohalogenation, there is hydrogen product of halogens like HBr or HCl that is used to add halogens on ethene. So on addition of halogens that produce ethidium bromide, we prepare by addition of HBr to ethene and is used in organic synthesis, means this chemical is used as for another organic compound synthesis. This is chloroethane and it is prepared by hydrohalogenation of ethene, means HCl react with ethene form chloroethane and it is used in ethylating agent. Chloroethane is used as ethylating agent, means ethyl group is added on substrate. It is ethyl cellulose production. Chloroethane is used for synthesis of ethyl cellulose, that is a thickening agent in pharmaceutical and food products, means that are used to dissolve in water to increase its viscosity. It is used as topical anesthetic, means it is used to anesthetize our topical areas like skin or tooth, that is used to detect the defective tooth or dead tooth because of its chilling effect. And chilling effect of this also used on skin to cut the lesions or abscesses. Here these ethene is a natural compound and ethidium bromide and chloroethane are the product of or addition product reaction of ethene. So here the importance of addition reaction to get the different product from alkene or alkyne that are used for different purpose. Here ethene is used to production of polythene, ethidium bromide to used for other organic compound, chloroethane is used for ethylating agent and it is also used for formation of ethyl cellulose. Ethylating agents, by ethylating agent the cellulose molecule which are obtained naturally from the plant is ethylated by this ethylating agent like ethidium bromide or chloroethane to produce ethyl cellulose, and ethyl cellulose is used to thicken the solution for pharmaceutical and food product and is also used for anesthetics. So here the different compound which are used differently because of the addition reaction of ethene to form ethidium bromide and chloroethane. Addition reaction is the simple addition of another compound to alkene or alkyne. So, reaction in which unsaturated hydrocarbons like alkene or alkyne combine with other substance to give a single product is called addition reaction. In this reaction, atoms or group of atoms simply added to double or triple bond without removal of or elimination of any atom or other molecule. In this reaction there is a loss of pi bond. For one pi bond there is the formation of two sigma bond. Here the example, this is an unsaturated carbon compound in which there is addition of reaction, or addition reaction forms a saturated organic compound. If it is this triple bond, on addition reaction forms double bond, further undergo addition reaction forms saturated carbon compound. So in addition reaction, it's occur only on alkene and alkyne where there is double or triple bond. A reaction product is saturated hydrocarbon. Let's understand addition reaction with the example of alkene. Ethene react with a hydrogen in the presence of nickel or palladium as a catalyst, and on heating produce saturated compound ethane. In this reaction, pi bond between the carbon-carbon atom is broken down and form a two new sigma bond between carbon and hydrogen. So there is addition reaction on this ethene with a hydrogen, presence of nickel as a catalyst, heat produce ethane, a saturated compound. This addition of hydrogen to alkene, formation of an alkane, is also known as hydrogenation. This process is used to produce vegetable ghee. Oils like mustard oil or soybean oil that are liquid at the room temperature contain multiple double bond between carbon and carbon, that is result of which it is liquid at the room temperature. When these vegetable oils are hydrogenated in the presence of nickel or palladium, they produce saturation of the double bond between the carbon atom of long chain fatty acid and produce unsaturated hydrocarbon long chain fatty acid, that is vegetable ghee, which gets solid at the room temperature and it gets melt when it is heated. That is known as vegetable ghee or dalda ghee or vanaspati ghee. These unsaturated fatty acid that we obtained from the mustard seed or soybean seed used for cooking is good for health, but when these oils get hydrogenated forms saturated oil that is unfit or not good for health. This is because vanaspati ghee or saturated oils get deposited in our heart vessels, cause coronary heart disease, or blockage of heart cause coronary heart disease, which results in heart attack. Here is testing to unsaturated compound. Unsaturated compound can be tested by bromine water. Bromine water contains halogen bromine, that is a halogenating agent. When these bromine water, which is brown in color, treated with unsaturated compounds like a long chain fatty acid containing carbon-carbon double bond, these bromine react with this carbon-carbon double bond and form a saturated compound. After reaction, the bromine is utilized to break this double bond and form a bond with this carbon-carbon atom. It results in colorless product. The formation of colorless product reveals that the compound contain carbon-carbon double bond unsaturation. After reaction, these unsaturation goes out because of the addition of bromine and formation of saturated product of bromine, that is colorless, shows the compound contain double bond, that is unsaturated. By this we test the unsaturated compounds.